guys, I'm Abrish and today I'm at the zoo. We are going to see lots of animals. Come with me, it's going to be so much fun. Hurry up, let's go. First, I got to ride a pony. Did you know ponies are smaller than horses, but super strong? This pony's name is Bella. I'm feeling like a cowboy. Then I fed some koi fish. They were all swimming. Koi fish can live more than 25 years and they bring good luck in some countries. Look at those cute colors. They're like swimming jewels. Next to Dino Robot. Look at this dinosaur. It's a robot, but it looks like a T-Rex. They had huge teeth and small arms and were super scary, but cool. I took a picture with a macaw. Macaws live in rainforests and they are super smart. They can even copy people. Look at those pretty feathers. I love it. I saw so many birds. The ostrich was huge. It's the biggest bird in the world. Look at those strong legs. And look, that peacock is beautiful. I love the colors of it. I can look at it all day long. But I had to go. Let's see some more birds. And then I fed some lions. Lions live in groups called pride, and the girl lions do most of the hunting. Feeding the lions was the best thing. I really like it. Hey little fella, I hope you like your food. Now Daddy, it's your turn. Look at those big scary eyes. Hey, why are you so grumpy today? You're staring at me. Please don't eat me. I'm not a snack. Daddy, let's go. Daddy, let's go. After the lions, I fed some monkeys. They were very silly and cute too. Look at those tiny hands. They love fruits and nuts and being playful. This one is really naughty. I know you're hiding your food. Share some with your friends. There you go, little fella. Next, I met some gentle deer and fed them too. They have very good hearing and they can jump so high, like over 9 feet. They were so sweet. What an awesome day at the zoo. I rode a pony, saw a robot T-Rex, fed koi fish, met some parrots and peacocks, played with monkeys, and even fed a lion. Thanks for coming with me on this wild adventure. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun videos with me. Bye bye animal friends. See you next time.